Hello all, welcome back to our channel. So students, this is the unit number 5 of Blaw. So that is winding up. So in this unit I have given only 2 questions. Out of these 2 questions, one question will be in your part B. So let's discuss the explanation video of this unit number 5, which will be helpful for your examination. So the first one is, what is winding up by tribunal, or else what is winding up and what is compulsory winding up. If you are finding any winding up name in your question, you need to write this answer only. What is a compulsory winding up means, when a company is wound up by an order and tribunal, it is referred as a compulsory winding up. If any authorized person or the higher authority person is ordered you to wind up the company, then it is a compulsory winding up. In that circumstances, we will compulsory wind up the company or a business. Winding up means closing of the business. Okay, so winding up by tribunal is also known as like that only. What is the compulsory winding up by tribunal? When a company is wound up in order of the tribunal, it is referred as a company winding up, compulsory winding up. Okay, so the tribunal will make an order for winding up of an application or petition or order to person enlisted. Okay, so he will have the certain judgment things. So that is the thing. What are the reasons of getting a winding up? When a business or a company will wind up, what are the circumstances means, this is the circumstances. What is that? The first one is special resolution. So if a company should have a special resolution to found up, and the company should have a special methods of to be in a profit motive. And the second one is inability to pay debts. Debts is nothing but like liabilities. So profit is 1 lakh, loss is 2 lakhs, expenses is 2 lakhs, then business have more debts. Okay, he need to pay to the creditor, he need to pay. And if a business is not getting a amount from the customers, he then it is known as inability to pay debts. And the third one is just and equitable. Just and equitable is nothing but the another ground of which a tribunal can wound up their company in order to opinion of equitable things. Okay, so creditors, employees, stakeholders, shareholders, whatever it might be, justice and equitable should be there for them also. Next one, default in filing and profit and loss account and balance sheet or annual return. So default in filing, if a company is closing means, he should be a file the trading account, penal account, balance sheet or any annual return. He should clear with their accounting records, then only a company will get wind up. Okay, and next one, sick industrial company. So this type of questions we can write it in the answer. And fraudulent purpose, public interest, failure to pay dividend, bubble company, losses. If it is in a loss condition, then we will not continue the company. If it is in a loss condition, we will not at all if it is an insolvent. Okay, company will be an insolvent means also we can't continue the companies. Okay, so this is the first question. Second question I have given company liquidator. So this is the choice, you can learn it. So company liquidator means who is appointed for the professional, which is decided by the central government. Central government will decide the profession of a company liquidator, where he provides the liquidator to the business or company. Okay, he controls all over the company in form of assets, payments of debts, what are the assets we are having, how many debts we are having, everything he will maintain. That is called the company liquidator. What are the powers he will have in order to direction of tribunal? Tribunal is nothing but the owner or the main person of a company. So he will guide, he will exercise with the direction of tribunal. And like that you need to write it so this is an optional question if it's purely your wish. And next one, you will have IBC. So this is very much important, that is Indian Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code 2016, that we can call it as a IBC. Okay, what does this IBC means? It was established the bill was passed in Lok Sabha in December 2015 and the Parliament on 11th May 2016. It is notified that 28th May 2016 was the implementation day, and the 1st December 2016, from 1st 1st December 2016 this IBC was implemented in India. What does this IBC was main vision of IBC is nothing but the bankruptcy code, which will stop a solution to resolve the insolvencies of a companies. Mainly it want to develop the entrepreneurs of a company. Okay, so what does the mission of IBC? IBC will encourage innovation and entrepreneurship in India. So because our in when entrepreneurs, when we are in starting up a companies, when we are exporting more, then only a country will get developed. So in that type of circumstances, what is the business IBC vision means? It will give the innovations and encourages the new entrepreneurs in the world, in the India. Okay, so it encourages the participation of all stakeholders who guide it. So that is the vision of IBC. So if you understand what is the IBC means, you can write it by your own. What is the vision, what are the exemptions, everything like that you can write it. Okay, if you are finding any Indian bankruptcy code in your question, you can write it this answer. Okay students, what are the objective? It will encourage the individual, it will encourage the partnership firm. Okay, so this type of encouragement will give, and where it will can establish IBC board of in India specifically. Got it? So next, exemptions you are having. Exemptions in what circumstances this IBC code was exempted means, it gives powers and discretion judgments in order to IPC, and right to business. This type of exemptions also you can learn it. Okay, so this is the about the unit number 5. Winding up and IBC is very much important, and these 2 questions is enough. Company liquidator we can expect for 4 marks. So this is all about the video. If you like this video, then do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel, and share with all your friends and groups, because this video will be useful for them also. See you all in next video. Bye bye students.